Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are an admin and that you've backed up any posts or media you might need later. Once done, open Facebook on desktop or the Business Suite app. Mobile hides options. Go directly to your page, then click Settings or Page Settings. Make sure to select the right page if you manage several. You're doing this now so that deletion appears in the correct account and you won't lose anything unintentionally. Next, in Settings, choose General and scan for Remove Page or similar wording. Business Suite may list it under Page Visibility or Advanced Settings. Click Remove Page, then choose Delete Page and read the confirmation text. This tells you about the temporary deactivation period or 14-day grace window. You must confirm by clicking Delete and sometimes re-enter your account password. Make sure to watch for secondary confirmations. They prevent accidental permanent removal. Finally, after confirming deletion, monitor your email for Facebook's confirmation and any recovery options within the grace period. Once the timer elapses, the page is permanently removed, so act quickly if you change your mind. If you don't see a delete option, recheck that you are an admin, not a moderator, and that the page isn't linked to an unresolved business account. If problems persist, escalate through Business Help Center or the support inbox to resolve permissions or technical blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.